Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is go through 5 different cryptos that could literally 100x. So nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. These are tokens that I do believe can do very, very, very well. And yeah, potentially 100x. So if you guys get something out of this, smash the like button, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do. Hit up the link tree. And with that being said, comment down below your top 5 100x picks. So there's a couple things that we need to hit on here. And the first one is going to be, where are we at in the market, in the macro, right? So currently, we are September 21st, 2024, and it's what I believe that we are going to enter the greatest bull run in crypto history. Things have been going sideways for a little while. Bitcoin's kind of on an upward trajectory if you look on the year. And this is where we want to take a look. So at the end of the day, it comes down to Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin going to pump or dump? If Bitcoin dumps, the entire market's going to dump with it. So Bitcoin will typically lead the way. It doesn't always happen that way, but typically it will. Okay, so let's dive into this. Currently on the year, as I said, I believe it's 130, almost 140%. If we just start to break above 65 and hit all-time highs, which would be like 72, 73,000 USD, we're going to be entering a pretty interesting territory here. So the first token we're going to talk about, we actually can't even view this on CoinMarketCap. We got to go to CoinGecko. We're going to be talking about Nuvola. So Nuvola is a DePIN aggregator. So I like this project a lot, and I'll talk about why this can still 100x. And out of all these projects, I think this one is, you know, if you were to pick one, this may be the one sure bet that it will do that. So what is NVL? Well, it's a DePIN ag. Basically what they do is they partner with different projects. Let's say World Mobile, right? And what NVL will do is they will help run their nodes. They will help with their hardware and software side of things so that the company doesn't have to necessarily worry about that. And what you can do as someone who's investing is pick up some NVL tokens and stake to their dashboard. So that's where the DePIN aggregator comes in. So Nuvola, they have multiple different partnerships. I'll share that here in a second. And all you have to do as a crypto investor is stake the NVL token and you earn 50% of the rewards that they produce. So you do not have to run nodes yourself. NVL will do that, and all you have to do is pick up the token. So it's a cool passive way, but ultimately you're looking at a 15 mil market cap. That is very low, and right now it's with Cardano, but this is going to be something where I do believe that I mean they've talked about it. They would like to start running nodes for different chains as well. So I don't know what the logistics of that are going to be. If you guys want, use the link tree, use this as your guide. So if we head over here under staking, you can click on Nuvola NVL. I am currently staking a little bit of NVL, like 2,000 tokens. And here you can see I'm earning some AGIX, some COPI, some USDM. So this dashboard is also going to be improved in the near future. So if you guys head over to the channel, guys, type in NVL. I've got tons of videos on this project. I even did an in-depth interview with Raul, the CEO. I met him in Vegas, him and the team, incredible people. And they're really in it. They're really in to win, you know. Even the way the tokenomics are structured, NVL is really setting themselves up for success, especially for the long term. So if there's something that can 100x, it's going to be NVL. So take a look at these partnerships. Tokenomics, I always give them crap. 21 mil, trying to be like Bitcoin. What else we got? So AGIX, COPI, cross-chain DEX partnerships. But the real thing right now is that they're running nodes. They're building a drive system. And it's really epic. So again, DePIN ag, You own the tokens, you stake it, and you reap the benefits from the team working hard, running these nodes, running them efficiently, etc. So I could talk about this project for a while. It's something that I do invest into, and invest at your own risk. So the next one, we're going to talk about AGIX. So this is Singularity Net. So let's go to CoinMarketCap. And, you know, when it comes to AI, so we've gone over a DePIN strategy. Okay, you could even call it a node investing strategy. Let's talk about an AI pick in AGIX. So again, market cap, somewhat low. This was something you maybe wanted to get a little while ago when it was around 28 cents. But nonetheless, it's hard to time it. This could do very, 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 very well. So let's take a look at the website here. And the main thing is you've got AGIX on ADA. You got AGIX on Ethereum. And who knows what other chains. But if you're looking for something to really hedge yourself for an AI bet in crypto, I think Singularity Net could be the one to pull this off. Okay, so a couple of utility features with the AGIX token. So utility token for AI services, of course. AGIX is used as a payment method for accessing and utilizing AI services on the Singularity Net marketplace. Developers and AI service providers can create and offer AI algorithms while users pay with AGIX to use these services. The big one is going to be staking. A lot of people like that. AGIX holders can stake their tokens to participate in governance, earn rewards, and support network security. Staking also provides additional incentives to AGIX holders, as they can earn a share of the platform's transaction fees. So I do like that. If you can get in early, if you do stake, you can reap the benefits, not just a year from now, but maybe 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years from now. That's what investing, in my opinion, is all about. The next token is going to be MELD. I've been talking about MELD for a while. I think right now is the best opportunity to pick up MELD. You will most likely look back 2, 3, 4, 5 years from now and think, I missed out on MELD. I didn't listen to Crypto Moose. So this is MELD. MELD is a layer 1, and they have a DEX now. So they've got a Zomi where you can swap, get in on some of the meme tokens, which we're going to talk about in a different video on the channel as well. But ultimately, guys, the self-circulating supply, 4 billion. And it looks like all the tokens are out, which I like. 50 mil market cap. Taking a look at the price right now of MELD, there is a major, major, major opportunity. Okay, so the token has not lifted. It has not pumped yet. This token has been this price for a long time, if not starting to go up. They have a mobile app coming soon. And what MELD is, it's a non-custodial DeFi lending and borrowing protocol. They support the top 6 leading cryptos like Ethereum, AGIX, Cardano, MELD as their own token. Right now, we are on MELD.com. And this is what their desktop app looks like. And again, they're going mobile very soon. So you can see it here on the roadmap. And everything that has to do with MELD, I believe, looks fantastic. And the entire idea has never been done before. And I think once people start to see it, start to use it, they're really going to understand the power of what MELD is. And I just think it's going to be an absolute winner. So they bought a bank. They now support multiple different currencies, and they're going to be launching their mobile app very soon. So you have the opportunity. Guys, not financial advice. Invest at your own risk. But this is a little bit of what you can expect. So this is what their desktop app looks like. Here we can actually see NVL right now, so I like that. So I've got my non-custodial wallet set up here. If we go under NFTs, you can see some of these. And guys, when you are staking your crypto with MELD, they have these really cool NFTs. So when you click on the 1 year, for example, you can get this beautiful NFT and you can change pools. So once you do that, your NFT will change as well. And the idea of this is, let's say you're in a 5-year locked period, you don't want to forfeit those rewards, the APY that you've been earning, you can either change the pool or you could even sell your position in the form of an NFT. So MELD has a lot going on for it. The Azomi DEX is fantastic. So maybe I'll even pull that up as well. So Azomi is, I believe, a copy of the Uniswap DEX. So that's kind of cool to me. It's fine. But right now, what's good is that you have multiple different assets as well. So a lot of memes, of course, a lot of unverified tokens. So be wary, invest in the right stuff. That is MELD. MELD has a lot of potential, arguably my number one pick in terms of how big this thing can get and how much gains it could do. It could go beyond 100x. So yeah, I'm hedging my bets personally. So let's talk about the next one. So we've gone over 3 of them. Let's talk about Jupe. So Jupe is a token on Solana. And the thing I like about Jupe is that they have a good working product. So whether or not you like Solana, I really don't care. I think that Solana is going to do well this bull run. And the Jupe aggregator, what it does is it pulls the best price from different Solana exchanges, and you're able to make swaps just faster, and you get the best price right away. So it's like Dex Hunter, where it will pull from the top decentralized exchanges and route you the best prices. So I have a little bit of Solana. I play around with the meme tokens. This thing works. You can easily swap, especially with your Phantom wallet. So if you've taken part in the Solana ecosystem, if you use a Phantom wallet, you would have already noticed that this wallet with this DEX. So what I'm going to do is just connect a wallet. So I've got this wallet right here, account 1, and it should be connected. So what we can do is do a quick swap, just to give you an example. So what do I have? Like a little bit of Solana left. So like $2 worth. Let's just get some USDC, sign the transaction, boom. So now if I go to my wallet, and again, you want to set slippage, whatever it may be. I'm just sharing with you kind of what it does. So here you can see that it's going to find you the best price when you make a swap. So now I only have $1 worth. So if I were to do that, what it's going to do is find me the best price for that route. So let's say I want to swap some Solana, pick up some Bird Dog. So here I'll do max, pick up some Bird Dog, and here it's using the Radium exchange, okay? This project is relatively new. I wish I would have gotten into the airdrop much earlier, but that's okay. Ultimately, at a 1.1 bill market cap, it does seem high. With the narrative of Solana, with the potential of this project, you could see massive gains here. So it's my opinion that this thing could 10, 15, 20, 50, potentially 100x in the future. So let's get into number 5. Number 5 is going to be Copy. So this is cornucopias, and cornucopias, guys, I've been talking about this for a long time. Market cap currently at 20 mil. So let's take a look at Copy. And this is going to be our metaverse play, our gaming. With cornucopias, they are also not chain agnostic. So Copy tokens, you can hold and pick them up on BNB, on ADA, on Ethereum, on Base. I don't even know if they're on any other chains, maybe MELD. So that's really cool. And this token, it's my opinion that it's going to do very, very, very well. The graphics looks good. I'll even share with you the website here. So it is going to be cornucopias.io, and they are building everything from scratch. It looks better on my monitor. It just looks a little bit weird because of the screen recording that I'm using, but they have amazing assets. They've got a marketplace where when they do NFT sales, you can mint right here. There's a lot of good stuff going on with cornucopias. The main thing is going to be their node sale. So this has already happened. If you guys take a look here, you can pick up one of these, register them, stake them to the platform. Here I've already earned 6,400 Copy tokens. So there's a lot of things that are happening now. And once I go multi-chain, this project could do very well. As long as the crypto gaming narrative stays strong, at least as well as it did in the past, with the bull run, with the game already out there for people that have an NFT, you can already begin to play the game. This is going to be an absolute steal of a pick. So with that being said, guys, head over to the link tree and you guys can save 10% off using code Moose. Pick up a Tangem. I have videos showing you how you can pick up Kopi and hold it on this wallet. Guys, 50 bucks. We also have links to Trezors, Ledgers. We have new projects, so Raw Dog. We talk about that in a meme token video. And then we also have online courses. So guys, we have a free Cardano mini course. We have 5 or 6 other online courses. So there is zero excuse. You guys need to get loose. Subscribe to Crypto Moose. We'll see you in the next one.